Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where my kitchen seems to be just getting warmer all the time as the summer rolls on. This is the third review of the day and it's just like piping hot, sweaty, nasty out here. So I think 3 is going to be the peak this season, which is more than plenty. Anyways, we've got this one from Zenpop. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook with their Ganso Curry Ramen. Look at that tiger rock. So, here it is. We're going to add boiling water to the line, probably spill some on the stove, and hopefully no children will be harmed or adults either in the preparation of this, and I made a big mess. But you know, that's fine. 5 minutes on the clock. So what is... Oh, God, it is hot in this kitchen. So what is on the menu today? Well, I have found that in the interim of not reviewing that I went on, the eggs I had expired. And I was going to make some soft-boiled eggs, particularly to use one with this today. But I just didn't, I don't know. It's July 5th. I didn't want to use eggs that expired on June 10th. I know there's going to be someone, oh no, those should be perfectly good. Those should be just save it. Just save it. I'm not going to use them. They're in the trash right there. Oh, now they're yelling about Spider-Man out there. But yeah, I took almost a full month off of reviewing after taking a month doing like 3 reviews a day, most of it. So I'm really far ahead. This episode's coming out in October. Getting close to the ending area of October. I've got tons of stuff to review. So, yeah, I'm going to try to crank out 3 a day for the duration. I didn't do any reviewing yesterday. However, the day before I did 4? And the day before that I did 2. So, let's see, over 4 days, 3, 7, 9. So... not bad. Not bad at all. And tomorrow is my wife and I's 12th wedding anniversary. We're pretty much broke right now. But we're gonna go, we got family who's gonna watch the children on Friday, and we're gonna go out and use some gift cards that we've been stacking up. We kept getting gift cards during the pandemic for, what's that place? Cheesecake Factory, and it's like, that's cool. Yeah, all I want is cheesecake and food. I don't want to get any like little critters going through my system at the same time, if you know what I mean. God, my sister just got hit with COVID for the first time. It's funny because she's like a frontline, she worked at the hospital. She checked, made sure people knew where they were going and make sure they were wearing masks in the height of the pandemic. She never got it then. And what else is going on? Oh yeah, so my wife got a couple piercings in her ear, like right here, at some joint at the mall, and they used a piercing gun instead of a needle, and it got infected, and not just like infected, but like infected, like nasty, weepy, gross, bad, no bueno stuff. So she wasn't able to work last week because it was just all mad, red, oozy, scabbing up and all that stuff. Well, she works at a place that is in the healthcare system, and yes, you still have to, when you're dealing with people, you still have to wear a mask. So, but during this whole thing, she found a new place to go, and it's at a tattoo shop. and I've been playing around with the idea, and I think pretty soon I'm gonna get a tattoo. I've never gotten a tattoo before, and I know exactly what I want to get. It's the launch code that the Whopper figures out in the movie War Games. I want to get it like right there. I figure that'd be neat. Yeah. That's like my thing. I love that movie. That's like my whole deal. And I got a screenshot of it. It's a HP vector font. And it's old. And I got a screenshot of it. It was like light blue on black. So I inverted it. I sharpened it. I put some stroke on it so the font was thicker. And black and whited it and did all this stuff so it looks just like bam, so I can just bring that into a tattoo place. And she asked them when she was in there, so what, you know, how hard would this be, how much would this cost? They like looked at it and they're like, oh, we could do that. And like they were like, we have a minimum that we charge. So it's like it won't take them long. They said like $100 to $150. I guess I'm a cheap tattoo date, which is fine with me. I don't know, I've always wanted to do it, but I've always been like worried about the pain aspect, and so many people now have told me it's really not as, I mean, you can probably handle it. It's like, is it worse than being in the hospital and them doing a blood draw on your hand? They're like, not even remotely. I'm like, oh sweet. Go on, go on.
My hat is wet.
Well, put it on the floor. Why is your hat wet? Let's see, this one took 5 minutes, the first one took 5 minutes, the second one took like 3 minutes. Plus the stirring and all that fun stuff. It really hadn't been that long, and now his hat is wet. So I don't know what's going on, but we'll see. All right, let's give this a try. This fancy Ganso curry. This looks nice. This noodle looks really quite good. Will you guys stop running around and acting like hooligans? You're losing your chance to have a tablet. Yes, tablet. I want tablet. Yes, tablet. Okay, well, you know, gotta be good. There's our noodle or broth. It's kind of a salty. I mean, it's it's very salty. But it seems a little meaty. There might be some pork mince in there. It's not bad. It's different. So let's. What are you guys doing? Why are you messing with the water? Oh, I don't want to have it kill any children today. It's not my favorite thing to have to do, to kill children. By the way, I'm being like not serious. I don't kill children. Obviously, because they've been around for 5 and 6 years. So that's not even funny, Ramen Raider. I'm like, oh, you must not be a parent. There's a small amount of spring onion. I like dishing that stuff on, let me tell you. But for some reason, his hat is wet and they're messing around in the sink. Which, if they're just washing hands, I'm totally cool with that. But if there's any other foul play at hand, I am not cool with that. I'm not. Some pressure machine. I don't think there's really all that much more that needs to be done to this. I'll put a little shichimi on it. No, I got something better. Got some sansyo. And honestly, it's curry. And one thing I love with curry, hold on. I hope not. I hope you guys aren't doing anything bad. What's she doing? Did you wash your hands? Hey, you can put your sandals on. Knock yourself out, kid. I really like mint in curry. It's kind of like a thing that I learned in Malaysia, so I'm just gonna put a little piece of mint right there. Look at that. Pretty, out of the garden. Hey! God damn. There you go. A nice fancy curry with a tiger on it from Japan, and that's it for me today. I guess I don't have to kill any children. I'm glad I don't. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Catch you on the flip. Probably more Japanese stuff coming up. Yeah, bye-bye.